Today, I'm excited to share a special video with you, Glowing Skin. Glowing You, the perfect skincare routine for radiant skin. Are you ready to shine in 2024? Let's dive right in. Skincare is not just about outer beauty, it's also about inner radiance. This video will not only guide you to achieve a fantastic skin appearance, but will also inspire you with inner glow and positive energy. As the first step, understanding your skin type is crucial. Is it oily, dry, or a combination? Choosing products that cater to your skin's needs is a fundamental step in achieving a bright and healthy complexion. For luminous skin, cleansing and preparation are vital. Regularly cleaning your skin and preparing it with toner allow your skin to breathe and sets the stage for other skincare steps. Using nourishing masks and serums is a fantastic method for achieving radiant skin. Opting for natural products that nourish and revitalize your skin can be key to a glowing complexion. Remember, sunscreen is not just for the summer but should be used year-round. Also, don't forget to moisturize your skin. A well-moisturized skin maintains its natural glow. One of the secrets to radiant skin is internal radiance. Drinking plenty of water, maintaining a healthy diet, and consuming antioxidant-rich foods can help your skin radiate. I'd like to share some experiences from my skincare routine. The positive changes I've witnessed in my skin and the confidence adopting this routine has given me have always been motivating. Are you ready to welcome 2024 with glowing skin? Remember, beauty comes not only from the outside but also from within. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's spend a year shining together. Until next time, take care.